This is Angie of Bobo Design Studio, and I am so happy that you are here with me on my very first ever YouTube video. And what a way to commemorate the intro of Angie on YouTube than to talk about my Wanderlust Passport, which I am so excited to be sharing with you guys. So the Wanderlust Passport kind of came to be on accident. I was doing some travels through Europe and I was so excited to get my passport stamped at all the countries I was going to go to, only to discover that nobody was going to stamp my passport or even ask to look at it. And I was so bummed. So leave it to me to take matters into my own hands, and I grabbed a sketchbook and some pens, and every destination and point of interest I went to, I sat down for a minute and I would sketch right there, draw out the name of the city, and I, doodle what I was looking at, and I would jot down funny comments that I heard in passing, and slowly built this, really great notebook filled with awesome memories. Fast forward a few months later, and my husband and I go on a road trip through the West Coast, and we basically did the same thing. I just kind of kept this notebook going, only this time I added a lot more detail. Where did we stay? How much did we pay to stay there? Would we go again? What was the temperature like? Things that we could then kind of go back and reference if we ever wanted to take that route again. So let's talk a little bit about the book itself. So I've created it using a laminated cover. So it's got a little bit of kind of that water resistant. It's not quite like just craft paper on the outside. So you can put stickers on them. You can take a Sharpie to them and doodle on them and make them your own. Every passport also comes with 2 pages of stickers that I have created so that you can use them to decorate your entry pages. I think one of the coolest things is that I was able to turn one of my most prized possessions into something that I can actually give to others so that you can actually make your own memories and have this awesome heirloom that you can build and grow with over time. So if this sounds cool to you and you want to follow along, please subscribe to my video channel thing and stick around, because I'm going to show videos on how I fill my passport out, tips and tricks, what do you do when you mess up a page, my favorite tools, all the things. So please subscribe. I'm also on Instagram at Bobo Design Studio. I cannot believe we're doing this, and I am so excited to go on an adventure with you. So till next time, bye.